You're at a lively party with your friends, and the vibe is good, but you know it could be even better. Out of nowhere, one of your friends mentions how awesome it would be if someone knew some cool magic tricks to keep everyone entertained. That's your cue. You step up, ready to blow everyone's minds with some incredible magic that nobody saw coming. The icebreaker trick. You start with a simple, fun trick using a deck of cards. You let one friend pick a card, memorize it, and put it back in the deck. With a bit of flair, you shuffle the deck and do a dramatic reveal, pulling their chosen card out of thin air. Your friends gasp, laughing and looking around, wondering how you did it. The impossible coin vanish. Next, you pull out a coin. You show it to everyone, letting them hold it and examine it so they know it's real. Then, with just a flick of your hand, the coin disappears, gone without a trace. Your friends are amazed, searching for the coin. Just as they start questioning reality, you reach behind one of their ears and reveal the coin was there all along. Laughter and cheers erupt. Mind-reading moment. You take it up a notch by claiming you can read minds. You ask a friend to think of any number between 1 and 100. After a moment of intense concentration, you dramatically reveal the exact number they were thinking. Everyone's jaw drops, wondering if you can actually read minds. The grand finale. Floating object. Finally, for the grand finale, you decide to perform a trick that seems impossible, holding a small, light object like a napkin or a straw. You make it float right in front of your friends' eyes. They can't believe what they're seeing. A stunned silence falls over the group, followed by excited applause and demands to know how you pulled it off. With a wink and a smile, you keep your secret safe, leaving your friends guessing and talking about your magic skills for the rest of the night. You've just become the ultimate trickster of the group, the friend who can turn any gathering into a show.